The body's natural detoxification process. One of the reasons that many people choose body detoxification diets is because they think that it will actually help them and their bodies fight off infections, strengthen their immune systems, as well as give them a whole host of other benefits. Even though it's true that these are some of the possibilities of a detoxification diet and process, there is one element of the human body that these individuals are underestimating, and that is the organs of the human body themselves. For starters, the body does have a series of natural line of defenses that are used in fighting off pathogens, foreign agents, and warding off diseases. This is called the immune system, and it is strengthened by the other parts of the body when we are eating healthy foods, exercising properly, and doing all of the activities that we should be engaging in. However, many advocates of the detoxification diet claim that our body's immune system will be strengthened even more. If this is so, then these individuals should continue to explain how people are just as healthy without the detoxification diet. On the other hand, one must consider the fact that the body does have a natural detoxification process in order to cleanse the body. Indeed, there are various recipes for detoxification liquids and juices. However, let's examine all that the body does first. We have already reviewed what the immune system does, so let's look at the colon and kidneys next. The colon and kidneys are two very important organs in our body. The main purpose of these two organs is to excrete wastes from the body. In fact, the kidney is so smart that it is able to filter out all of the good blood for the wastes that it intends to excrete when it's time for the body to get rid of them. In the same way, though, the colon is also very instrumental in helping carrying out the same processes throughout the body. When one considers that the body has a natural detoxification process throughout its system, then it is also important to consider why one would even want to engage in a detoxification diet. For example, some parts of the detoxification diet include having an individual drink gallons upon gallons of water each day that they are undergoing the diet. This may be very useful for cleansing the inside of the body, but think about the dangers of also consuming too much water in one day. The kidneys and other organs that are a part of the body's excretion systems are only able to work so hard, and if they are overloaded, then this certainly is not good for the body. In other words, one must consider the positive aspects of actually having a healthy diet and making themselves exercise regularly. There are many benefits to eating everything that the Food and Drug Administration says that is helpful to eat. However, the FDA also has not stated that a body detox process is good for the body. Rather, they recommend getting the proper vitamins, minerals, and nutrients that are needed each day. All in all, a detoxification process may be just the diet that some people may need to get themselves on the right track toward a healthier lifestyle, but it certainly is not the be-all end-all in the health world.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.